Hi everyone, my name is Natalie Tamblin. I'm a recent graduate from Susquehanna University, and here's a video explaining our research project on the effects of self-esteem and guardians' parenting styles on future parenting styles. Through our literature review, my group and I learned a lot about the three main parenting styles: permissive, authoritarian, and authoritative. There was a lot of research on the impacts of these three parenting styles on an individual's self-esteem, but very little on the self-esteem and parenting styles impacts on future parenting styles. From the data that we collected in our literature review, we came up with three hypotheses. The first was that students parented by permissive parenting styles would not have an impact on their self-esteem and would most likely use that parenting style in the future. The second was authoritarian parenting styles would have a negative impact on self-esteem, and the individual would most likely change the parenting style in the future. And finally, we hypothesized that authoritative parenting styles would have a positive impact on self-esteem and would most likely be repeated in the future. We surveyed 92 college-age students from Susquehanna University using the Bury Parental Authority Questionnaire and the Rosenberg Self-Esteem Scale. The questionnaire was used twice, once to measure past parenting styles and once to measure future parenting styles. We had two predictor variables: the past parenting style that the individual reported and their current level of self-esteem. Our criterion variable was the predicted parenting style. Through the data collected in our survey, we ran two regression analyses. The first was conducted to see which past parenting style predicted one's self-esteem. Through this, the only statistically significant result was for authoritative parenting styles. Authoritarian and permissive were not significant. Based off of this data, we ran a second regression analysis for authoritative parenting for its prediction of self-esteem on future parenting styles. However, it was only marginally significant, but does lead for a trend towards the use of authoritative parenting styles in the future. Our research indicates that children from families that use authoritative parenting styles will most likely create a cycle in the future of authoritative parenting styles and higher self-esteem and self-regulation abilities in these children. Obviously, there were limitations with our study, as we only were interested in the current self-esteem and only had a small population pool to pull from for our individuals that participated in the survey. For future research, we would like to see a wider study that would encapsulate individuals who have already had children to see the impacts of past parenting styles, current levels of self-esteem, and the current parenting style that they are using to parent their children. As well as some implications that we found is parents' knowledge on the parenting styles could also have a large impact on which style they use. With knowledge of the ups and downs of each parenting style, an individual might be more likely to pick one over the other. Thank you very much for tuning in to Virtual EPA this year. I hope you're all staying safe and healthy, and hopefully we'll all be able to see each other soon.